Hey there, my name is Domino. I make letter items with my husband Michael. I'm setting aside some time each week to declutter and organize different areas of our letter workshop. This week, I plan to declutter all the letter scraps from last year to select the ones that still can be used. I bought wooden boxes from IKEA for storing the selected pieces. This double stack tray would be handy for organizing our letter desk mats, which will be launched this month after our product photo shoots, which we're very excited about. Assembling the boxes and organizing the letter scraps took longer time than I'd expected. After lunch, I need to get part of a handmade letter order done. This order request is for a letter card holder. The customer has chosen the beautiful turquoise Pueblo vegetan letter, one of my favorites. To achieve a polished finish, we burnish the edges of each of the letter pieces. This process not only creates a smooth and refined look, but also adds to the card holder's longevity by preventing fraying. Now that all the individual elements are ready, we can assemble the card holder. I punched holes for sewing, but it's getting late. I will finish sewing the card holder the next morning. To add a personal touch, I also handwrite the name on every single thank you note. On the one side of the note, it shows our favorite Stoicism quotes. On the other side, it contains our story and a special promo code. We designed this thank you note to express our appreciation for our customers' support. I usually examine the letter item for a final detail check. This valet tray features a classic design made from premium food-grain Crazy Horse leather. This leather features a rustic and natural appeal. We really love it. Now let's move on to the packing process. First, I put the valet tray in a cotton bag. It adds a layer of protection but also adds a touch of personal connection to the unboxing experience. Next, I will wrap the order with brown paper, which is recycled from the same wrapping paper for our leather. So everything is pretty authentic and original. We made sustainable choices in our business. Brown paper is an eco-friendly packing option that aligns with our commitment to sustainability, like the famous lyric goes, brown paper packaging tied up with a string. These are one of my favorite things. With the shipping envelope sealed securely, we are now ready to hand it over to our trusty delivery service, Canada Post. We're low on chocolate Crazy Horse leather and leather glue, so I ordered 2 half heights and 1 bottle of glue. I also got 1 more roll of brown Crazy Horse leather, as it is one of the more popular leather options. We will have our new launch the 3rd week of August. We are launching new leather desk mats, customizable keychains, bookmarks, as well as new color collections of wallets and card holders in Prabro vegetan leather. What I'm most excited about is the embossing initials and custom designs. We have been planning to offer customization for quite a long time. After experimenting with different versions of fonts and graphs, we are now finally able to create a result we are proud of. With this new launch, we will offer the option of adding a personal touch to your chosen leather items, which will make the leather item truly one of a kind. So keep an eye out for our new launch this month. I can't wait to review all of the new listings in the world.